in here with the girl. The little red rooster. Right?
Sometimes I have a white.
Well, he's not white. He's going to be red. He's going to be the little red rooster. Where is him?
Let's go.
See if you can pick him out. Where is the little red rooster? He must be on the other end. Oh.
There he is.
That's him.
Mom, I found him.
The little red rooster, here he comes. He wants to get in the photograph. Look at him with his comb. He's going to be a nice rooster, ain't he?
Yeah.
I bet you he'll be called Mean Red.
Look this way, Sam.
Come on. Yeah.
Wait,
There's our chickens. Nope, not yet. They're too little. Come on. Down the road they're going to lay eggs. But yeah, it's not going to be for 2 months. We'll be getting near in Thanksgiving time. Then they'll be laying eggs in here. All right, let's get on and look at the little white ones, right?
Yeah, let's go.
The babies.
You know what's in this one?
Not the turkeys, but the here, you in the next chicken out.
Yeah, right there. Not in there.
Right.
Yeah.
You're not in
Are you gonna come in?
there. The little white chickens. There they are, huh?
How can I get in here?
Can't. It's too tall, right? Otherwise the little chickens are jumping over.
Look back here, Sam.
So we had
Smile.
to make
Look,
it bigger.
Sam. Look at the camera up here.
Yeah? You little cheesy smiler.
You be scared in here because there's mice.
There could be a mouse. We made it a little better.
Let's go. Here's my
Let's
first.
see if what's in here. It's supposed to be chickens in here, but what in the heck is in here? Something big and brown. What are they? Turkeys. Gobble, 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 say the turkeys to you. Right?
Somebody steal our turkey seeds and watch. See?
He's getting red, ain't he? Gobble, 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 gobble.
That's how many chicks.
Let's get them out. Let's get them out. Tell them they gotta go. Gobble, 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 gobble. Back up a little bit. You get out of the doorway now, Brianna. We'll chase the turkeys out.
Go back, go back. Go. Ow, ow. We have one more.
Four. There they go.
All of them are out.
Some turkeys. Uncle Mike left them out because it's dry. They're all right.
No, we can't let them out. Look.
Oh yeah, we can let them out. They're okay.
There's food over there.
But as long as they get turkey food all night, they're okay. They're going home right now. They're saying these people do not like us. Look at them. They're going home. They're crying almost.
Thank you.
Yep, there they go. Honk! Honk! Take them up the hill. Come on up the hill. Come on, Snow. Let's take them up here. Honk! You walk up here. They're coming up. Honk! 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 They're coming. They can't resist you. They want to bite you. Honk! 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 They're coming, talking to you.
Do you want to see my swimming pool?
Yep. Go back towards the house. Oh, here comes the baler up over the hill. Get up a little taller up here on top.